So custodial violence is well documented in our country. Yet, whenever there are cases of encounters, we find the public glorifying and celebrating these. This also comes from the fact that the public does not seem to have sufficient faith in the justice system. What do you think can be done about this?
One thing is that people who are being deprived of a quick justice or a timely justice, they are always thinking of some cross cuts. So the encounter and spot justice became very popular in the sense that a man who commits a murder or a rape should be killed instantaneously. Even there are some people who take it to the higher stage by saying they should be publicly hanged. It is not ordinary people. Even a Rajasthan High Court judge ordered for a public hanging in Jaipur of a dowry victim. So Supreme Court said you can't go overboard. You will have to be governed by rule of law, and our penal system is reformatory and not retributory, and you got to decide only according to law. So this issue of looking at this crime and punishment dispassionately is not there. So the result is a super cop who shoots down a offender becomes a hero, and we see so many super cops like that. And even there was a film by Surya where he comes as a police officer and in an encounter he kills a accused. So people used to appreciate in the theatres, which is very shocking, because if you say that constitution governs the court and rule of law, then what is important is to respect the rule of law. There is nothing like an instantaneous justice, and it is not the policeman who can hand over punishment. It is the court which can give punishment. But of late what has happened is police stations have become judiciary and the inspectors become judges, and this is appreciated by people. That is because there are two reasons. Justice is not delivered quickly and within time. Number two, that people find quick answers to questions. That's very wrong, because in a country which is governed by rule of law, a man's right has to be taken away by procedure established by law, and any penalty of imprisonment can be given only by judiciary, not by policemen. Any death sentence has a very important procedure. But now, unless we educate people that this can be shown in a movie but not in real life. The reason is that a man who's a trigger happy cop, he is rewarded with more punishment, more promotions and not punishments. And therefore when the National Human Rights Commission says that encounter is a defense in an offense, and only in a trial this could be given as a defense, and therefore people who are involved in encounter has to be charge sheeted for murder, and in that trial they can establish it was done for private defense. And this directive has never been implemented at all. We find on the other way around, such cops, even you saw in Hyderabad, the cops were brought in a possession, people were distributing sweets, and he immediately overnight became popular. And this is the main reason for this is that the judiciary does not act within time. So people are becoming impatient. Secondly, the faith in rule of law is slowly eroded because we do not have strong human rights bodies which can educate people right from student days. We don't have such curriculum in our school, and I think the way out is to have a larger entitlement. Secondly, to have more orientation for the cops who are in the field. Maybe in the academy at Hyderabad, police IPS officers may be given lectures on these issues, but down below, the cops do not get any such training. They only get a raw deal, and the amount of orientation is very lacking, and that is very main reason for such glorification of such offences.